Welcome to our channel. Today we talk about 2027 Toyota Obsidian-Flare motorhome. So our target is 1,000 subscribers, so hit the subscribe button. Also drop a comment which motorhome will be next. Let's dive in. Exterior. The exterior of the 2027 Toyota Obsidian-Flare is a masterclass in kinetic aesthetic design and aerodynamic dominance. Draped in a stunning, deep obsidian liquid mirror finish, the body is a seamless sculpture crafted from reinforced carbon fiber and lightweight aerospace alloys that shimmer with incredible depth. As you can see from the image, this Titan rests on a specialized heavy-duty six-wheel configuration featuring 3 sets of high-performance axles that provide absolute stability for this massive rig. These 24-inch forged alloy wheels are finished in a matching black chrome with subtle yellow accents, grounding the stealthy body with a menacing tactical stance. The front fascia is a bold evolution of Toyota's futuristic design language, featuring a massive, illuminated crystalline grille and ultra-slim blade LED headlamps that can project symbols onto the road ahead. One of the most striking features is the vibrant yellow LED lighting system that traces the sharp contours of the air intakes, the roofline, and the lower aerodynamic skirts, giving it a signature cyber-luxe aesthetic. The silhouette is dominated by an aerodynamic dual-deck design, including a massive panoramic glass fuselage that wraps into the cockpit area. With its low-slung stance for high-speed stability, active rear diffusers, and glowing yellow Toyota emblems, this motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a high-tech land yacht designed for the next century of luxury travel. Full interior. Step inside through the motorized Skygate atrium and you are immediately welcomed into the Flare Sanctuary, a world of brilliant solar yellow leather, polished obsidian stone, and pure white laser lighting. Kitchen. The culinary atelier is a minimalist masterpiece featuring a waterfall edge countertop made of black volcanic stone with integrated invisible induction surfaces. It is equipped with a professional-grade espresso station, a hidden refrigeration vault, and custom yellow lacquer cabinetry that opens silently with a biometric touch, all illuminated by crisp yellow LED accents. Washroom. The Infinity Spa is a sanctuary of textured black slate and dark-tinted glass, featuring a walk-in rainfall shower with self-cleaning sapphire glass and golden yellow therapeutic lighting. The vanity is carved from a single block of matte black stone, and the smart mirror provides a high-definition display of the vehicle's vital systems and water filtration levels in vibrant graphics. Bedroom. Located at the rear of the upper deck, the Celestial Suite features a king-size memory foam mattress wrapped in solar yellow Alcantara with black diamond stitching. The room is surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that offer a 360-degree view, switching from crystal clear to total blackout privacy with a single voice command. LED screen view. Integrated into the forward bulkhead is a monumental 90-inch wraparound micro-LED wall. This screen functions as a digital window, projecting a live 360-degree feed of the outside world, or transforming the entire lounge into a private 12K IMAX theater for movie nights under the stars. Sofa's view. The primary seating area features dual Sovereign-class modular sofas wrapped in premium solar yellow leather with striking black contrast piping. These sofas feature zero-gravity reclining, hot stone massage functions, and built-in haptic feedback that vibrates to the rhythm of your favorite music or the engine's powerful whisper-quiet purr. Steering wheel and dashboard. Finally, the cockpit is the brain of the Obsidian-Flare. The dashboard is a single piece of forged carbon fiber housing a panoramic digital canvas display that integrates thermal night vision and AI pilot controls. The steering wheel is a futuristic yellow leather-wrapped yoke with haptic touchpads and a central glowing hub, putting the full power of Japanese innovation right in your palms. Performance. Underneath the Obsidian armor lies a triple-motor hydrogen hybrid powertrain, delivering a staggering 1,450 horsepower and 16,000 pound-feet of torque. This enables the 2027 Toyota Obsidian-Flare to reach 60 miles per hour in a physics-defying 4.3 seconds, unheard of for a six-wheel rig of this magnitude. It features all-wheel independent steering for incredible maneuverability in tight city spaces and an active air glide suspension that scans the road 2,000 times per second to neutralize every bump. With its high-capacity hydrogen fuel cells and solar recovery skin, this rig offers a massive 900-mile range with zero emissions, proving that the future of travel is clean, reliable, and incredibly powerful. Current 2026 pricing. Bespoke engineering on this scale is an investment in absolute prestige. For those placing orders in 2026 for the 2027 delivery, the Toyota Obsidian-Flare starts at a base MSRP of $4,100,000. However, the Apex Sovereign Edition we've explored today, with the full custom yellow interior, the 90-inch micro-LED wall, and the high-output 1,450 HP powertrain, carries a final price of $5,850,000. It is a significant investment, but for a Toyota that is essentially a mobile private estate, it is a value that will last a lifetime. The 2027 Toyota Obsidian-Flare is a bold statement that the future of travel is clean, powerful, and incredibly luxurious. It proves that you can have 1,400 horsepower and a two-story master suite in one stunning black and yellow package. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the world's most advanced mobile home, hit that subscribe button and join the Motorhome Apex family for more. Drop a comment below. Would you live in this Toyota full-time? Until next time, stay legendary, and we'll see you on the road.